what's going on, fam? It's Chef Matthews coming to you guys today. Today we're going to do a stuffed salmon full of crab meat, full of them claw meats, all right? We're going to stuff it with some dill. We got some parsley, we got some breadcrumbs, we got that claw meat right here. Ooh-wee, look at it. Ain't she pretty? Ooh-wee. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. Get y'all some butt naked. What's up? All right, we got some green onions right here already cut up. Want to add a little more. Let's get some parsley. Put it in the right bowl. All right. Put it back. Drop an egg in there. Egg is going to be a good binder. It's going to make sure everything holds together real well. Get that Dukes. If y'all know, y'all know. Sauce, some Yes, I Will Date Your Sister sauce. You hit it with your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Tabasco, even though it's not hot to me. We're gonna juice half that lemon, put it in the dip, and we're gonna save the other half for when it comes out the oven, okay? And we got us some fresh dill. I don't know about you guys, but dill goes great with seafood. Anytime I do any type of seafood dish, if I'm frying shrimp, I'll cut some fresh dill up and put it in my batter and my seasoning. When I'm doing the shrimp, I definitely do dill. Promise you, anytime y'all doing seafood, fresh dill, guys. Okay. Hit it with some butt naked, baby, and lemon pepper. Anytime I do seafood, you already know I'm doing lemon pepper with the butt naked, cause it's meant that way. All right, guys, you want to whisk it really well. And that egg is going to be like a binder. It's going to really hold everything together. Make sure your fillet don't come out your salmon. I'm whisking a little bit extra hard just because I got that egg in there. I want to make sure it's incorporated really, really well. Okay? All right. Now once that is done, I want to add some breadcrumbs. Now, some folks you can use Ritz. Usually, folks do Ritz, they do regular crackers. Me being from New Orleans, we always use Italian breadcrumbs. So that's what we're doing today. All right, now here's the secret. What you want, you don't want a loose batter. You want a real tight batter. And your breadcrumbs going to act just like a binder. It's going to kind of act like a cement when you're doing a cement mortar mix. But you just want it nice and firm. You don't want a loose batter. You want it nice and firm. Okay? Now once you got your breadcrumbs in, and it's looking like this, look. All right? Now, we're going to take them crab claws. Look at that claw meat. See that claw meat? All right, premium, baby. I ain't skipping on y'all. I treat y'all like I treat me. All right? Now we're going to add that in. Now, here's the thing. After adding your crab, you want to be very gentle with your crab, all right? You treat your crab like your baby, because you want all that you want to hold it together. You don't want it to break apart. You want to kind of leave it together, all right? So you know what you're eating. And just fold it in. Don't stir. Don't be too hard on it. Don't stir. Don't mix it. Just fold it. All right. Everything's nice and incorporated, okay? It's just calling me. Need some more butt naked lemon pepper. A little more dust. And that's it. That's your fillet. All right, fam. My salmon's been clean. I just got to dry it down. I got about a pound and a half. Want to dry it off to make sure all the seasoning sticks to it. It's been cleaned, washed thoroughly in some water. A little salty water. If you know, you know. All right. Now with this one, maybe I can get 3 out of here. I think I can. I'm leaving the skin on. I ain't got time for all that. Hit it with some butt naked Creole dust. Lemon pepper. Get it on the side, get it that way. Alright, I'm gonna hit it with a little smoked paprika too, just for the color, just for the presentation. The spices are excellent. I don't really need to do anything to that, but I just want some smoked paprika because always the color. Folks like that red paprika on that salmon. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut a little slit right down the middle. Alright, just a little crevice so it can hold our stuffing. Hold that crab meat. That's what we want. Don't go all the way through. Okay, we just want to create a little pocket. Smells good, man. Look, I can eat this raw. Y'all like sushi? We're gonna break it at 375. I'm gonna let it go for about 20-25 minutes. I'll come check and see where we're at.
You see how I got it? It's because I put that egg in the filling. If you don't put the egg in the filling, it's gonna spread all over the place. The egg is gonna make it stay.
All right, y'all think got enough salmon on here? I mean enough crab meat? All right, let's put it in the oven. And just FYI, before, look guys, I put a little olive oil on top too, just so I want that juiciness. I want that moisture to matriculate with the crab meat stuffing. Okay, here we go. 375. I'm gonna let it go for about 25 minutes. 25 minutes, 375. Ha!
Let's plate up and get everything about ready. Go ahead with the potatoes, them Parmesan encrusted potatoes, full of butter, full of garlic. A slider on there. Check it out, guys. What y'all think? She's pretty. Just going to top it off with some parsley, some charred lemons. Gives it more flavor when you're squeezing on it. And all the butter you can stand. What y'all think, guys? Yummy. Everything but naked.
Y'all better get y'all some butt naked. I ain't playing. Lord.